Hi everyone! So in today's class, it's another special class for our mommies. So this is a postnatal yoga session. This is if right after giving birth, but we'll qualify that. First of all, make sure you get clearance from your doctor. Again, letting you do any form of exercise. I've had some students after giving birth via normal delivery, seeing them 12 days after. So maybe if it's a C-section delivery, your doctor might advise you to wait a month or two before exercising. So see how this feels for you. So it's all about reacquainting again with the new body, loving our new bodies post-baby. So I hope you enjoy. So we'll start off lying down, and we'll be mostly lying down for this session. Okay. So see how you feel first on the mat. Okay. If it does not feel comfortable for you, okay, you'll bend your knees, and then you lift the hips up, and then you'll slide the blanket underneath, okay, underneath the butt, and then make sure it's on your middle back, lower back, and the hips. Okay. And then see how that feels. If it's more comfortable, you can even add as many, or you can fold your blanket or your towel just to feel comfortable lying down flat on your mat. Okay. And then this time, keep the knees bent, and then bring your feet to what feels like hip width apart. Okay. Especially if this is your first class after giving birth. Just go ahead, and if it feels like the feet are still wider than the hips, then we'll start from there. Okay. And then we'll just point the toes forward. Okay. And then we'll plant the palms down. And then from here, we'll just come back to our pelvic tilt. And then we'll see how we feel in our pelvic tilts. Okay. So similar in the prenatal class, okay, but we're doing it lying down on the mat. Okay. So from here, you'll just scoop the butt forward, and then you'll feel the lower back press against your blanket, and then you'll go the opposite direction. Okay, so just doing that a few times. Okay, see how the hips feel, see how the SI area feels for you. Okay, so as you inhale, maybe butt will scoop forward, and then exhale, go the opposite direction. Okay, so doing that a few times again. Okay. And then for the next round, okay, I have my orange ball with me, the soft ball. Okay, we'll bring the ball in between the thighs. Okay, and then this time we'll just bring enough effort to squeeze the ball. Okay, so we're not overly squeezing the ball, so just enough for you to feel the inner thighs engage, and maybe also feel the pelvic floor lift. Okay, as you squeeze the ball. Okay. So from here, let's do the pelvic tilt first. Okay, so inhale, butt will scoop forward. Exhale, go the opposite direction. One more, inhale, butt will scoop forward. And then exhale, opposite direction. And then find in between, or what feels comfortable for you. Okay, and then this time, as you press the palms down, we're going to squeeze the ball just enough. And then we'll release. Inhale, squeeze the ball. And then release. Two more times, inhale and release. One more, inhale and release. All right, from here we'll remove the ball, we'll set it off to the side, and then this time we'll straighten out the legs on the mat. Okay, and then see how that feels when you let your feet fall off to the sides. Okay, see how that translates to the hips. Okay. And then from here, okay, press the palms down again, just adding a little bit of effort. As you press the palms down, you might start to feel the belly sort of engage. So coming back to that zipper, okay, so as if you're wearing a jacket and then you want to zip up. So just enough as you press the palms down. And then what we're going to do with the legs, okay, as you bring the legs hip width apart, we're going to turn the legs in towards each other and then turn them out. So you can do the movement just at the ankles, but what we want is the entire leg turning in. So you want the movement to come from the hip socket. Okay, so from here, we'll press the palms down. As you inhale, let the legs turn in. And then exhale, release the effort. Inhale, maybe belly will start to draw in. Exhale, release. Okay. We'll coordinate. Inhale, pressing the palms down, legs turn in. Exhale, release the effort. Last one, inhale. And exhale, will release. Maybe you let the palms press up or face up and then just relax here for a moment. Okay. So you can do that several times, maybe getting used to the coordinated effort again. Okay. So as you inhale, palms press down, turning the legs in towards each other, and then release. One more as you press the palms down, legs turning in, and then we'll release. All right. And then this time, okay, we'll let the lower half relax. This time we'll come to the neck. Okay, so if carrying the baby and breastfeeding a lot, the posture may change. Okay, and we may feel a bit of tension at the neck. So let's just see how movement at the neck feels. Okay, so just press the palms down, and then you'll go ahead and then turn over to one side. Okay, so just turn any amount. And then inhale back to center. Okay. And then as you exhale, we'll turn towards the other side. You'll hold, exhale back to center. Okay. As you inhale, turning again towards the left. Any amount. Exhale back to center. Last side, turning towards the right. See how the left side of the neck feels. And then coming back to center. Okay. And then just reset the neck, reset the head, okay. And then holding here. And then this time, keep your gaze looking up towards the ceiling. Press the palms down. Okay. Maybe let your shoulders press down toward the mat. Okay. And then bring your feet or legs to hip width apart. And then let your toes point forward. Okay. And then we'll stay here. So we're trying to mimic as if we're standing up, and then hold here. Okay, shoulders press down, palms press down. Imagine you're still squeezing the ball between the thighs as the toes point forward. One more breath in. And then exhale, will release all the effort. Okay, we'll do that again. Okay, since I have a ponytail, let me just fix that. Okay. All right, we'll reset again. Okay, bring the gaze towards the ceiling. Press the shoulders down. So you find that sense of opening at the chest. Press the palms down. And then we'll squeeze the ball or hug the ball between the thighs, bringing the legs what feels like hip width apart for now. And then let the toes point up. Now, even though the movements are very tiny or very small, notice there's a lot of effort trying to realign or coming into our new bodies post-baby. So breathing here, again, shoulders press down, palms press down. So there's a sense of hugging the belly in. Keeping the legs in this shape or in this effort. One more breath. And then exhale, we'll slowly release all the effort. Okay, we'll do that one more time. Okay. From here, we'll add on to that. Okay, so you'll bring the legs again to what feels like hip width apart. Okay, and then this time you'll start to bend the right knee. Okay, and then from here, you'll bring the right leg over the left leg. Okay, so you'll press the right foot down, and then imagine you're trying to squeeze the legs together. Okay, and then we'll hold steady here. Okay, so similar to the previous set. Okay, press the shoulders down, hug that belly in. So just a gentle comfort hug as if you're wearing your zipper. Press the palms down and then press the thighs towards each other. Okay, and then we'll hold steady here, and then exhale, you'll release the effort. Okay, so it might not you might not see a lot from the video, but you'll feel this a lot in your body. So that's what we're trying to reacquaint ourselves with. So one more time, press the shoulders down. Okay, so nice Open at the chest, press the palms down, belly button will draw in, and then press the legs together as the right foot presses down on the mat. Okay. And then we'll hold steady here. One more breath. And then as you exhale, we'll release the effort. Okay, and then we'll switch sides. So you straighten that right leg, bring the feet to what feels like hip width apart, and then you'll bend that left knee, and then we'll bring that over the right leg. Okay, so see how the hips feel when you bring the leg over as you press that left foot down on the mat. Okay, so we'll add the efforts again. Okay, keep the gaze towards the ceiling, shoulders press down, press the palms down, belly will start to engage, and then we'll hug the thighs together as you press that left foot down on the mat. Okay, keeping that right foot flexed, staying here. Lengthen the breath. One more cycle. And then as you exhale, you'll slowly release the effort. Okay, we'll do that one more time. As we inhale, shoulders press down, palms press down, thighs press together. Okay. So just working that adduction again at the thighs, and maybe feeling that in our pelvic floor. Okay, one more breath. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly release. We'll straighten that left leg out, and then let the palms press up or face up towards the ceiling. Maybe even do a gentle wiggle at the hips side to side. Okay. And then we'll stay here for a moment. Okay. You can close your eyes. Again, see how it feels to be flat on the mat. And one more breath in. And then from here, we'll gently open the eyes. Okay. And then to come out, okay, start to bend the knees. Then you can roll on to one side. Okay. And then maybe stay here for a moment. So staying here for a moment, maybe letting the weight settle down. Okay. And then when you're ready, just gently pressing yourself up to seated. Okay. And then crossing at the legs. Okay. And then as we bring the hands together, bowing down the head, giving yourself gratitude for taking time after baby, after the pregnancy. Okay, namaste. So I hope you enjoyed that. That was our intro to postnatal yoga. Make sure that you check out the channel and see for other postnatal videos. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.